Hey guys, it's Ben here from Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change, rig ready Rams, and now we buy your Ram. Today we're looking at a 2020 Dodge Grand Caravan GT. Let's go take a look. This one does come with the fog lights, and under the hood it does have the 3.6 liter V6. Moving on to the side here, we do have your 17-inch black rims and this also does come with power assisted doors. And if we move on to the back here, it also has a power-assisted tailgate. And moving on to the back here, we do have the stow and go, which involves 4 simple levers, which you pull 1, and then you pull 2, and then you pull 3, and 4. And look at all the space you have in the back. And in the front seat here, it does feature your cruise control on the right side of the steering wheel here. It has econo mode. It also has your rear climate control as well as navigation, your heated steering wheel and seats. And moving up to the top, you have your universal garage door opener, as well as your door controls and the power for the doors as well. In the back seat here, if you want to use the stow and go for the second row seating, you have to make sure your driver's and passenger seats are all the way forward. And then you remove the floor mat here, and then you just lift this little switch here, pull this up, and then there's a little lever on the side of your seat that you'll pull and it'll flip right down for you, and then you just close this all down. In the back seat, it does also feature a HDMI port, 3 yellow, white, and red plugs, and a 12 volts plug-in, as long as your 115 volt wall plug-in, and 2 USBs. Moving up to the top here, you do have your climate control right here. You have your screen as well, and comes with 3 parts of storage. If you're interested in pictures and pricing of this vehicle, click the link below or give us a call at 780-942-3629.